Welcome to DocsEazy tutorials. Let's learn about the application of find function in Excel. This is one of the very useful function in Excel. The Microsoft Excel find function returns the location of a substring in a string. The search is case sensitive. Without further ado, let's go to an example. Here we have a table of some Microsoft products. Let's assume that in a situation, we wanted to find out the position of the letter S in a given text string. First, start with the equal sign and type FIND, after opening a bracket type S. Then after putting a comma, select the cell from which we need to find the location of the letter S. Then type 1. It's an option. It is the position in string where the search will start. The first position is 1. If the start underscore position is not provided, the find function will start the search at the beginning of the string. Now in order to apply this formula to all the other cells, select the cell with the formula, and double-click on the right-down corner of the cell. Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.